Dami naman yung dalawa. Eh, sabi natin marami daw siyang pera.
Gusto mo rugby? Ocho-ocho! Ocho-ocho!
Going to Main Square.
Sunshine on my face.
Gosh, only in the
I
Philippines.
feel really great
No makeup! No makeup!
about
Here at Robinson Supermarket.
my bride. I'll be
Hi guys!
waiting.
Sisters. We're here at Ace Hardware. Ano ba bibili natin? Si Ace? Who's Ace?
Saan ba kasi?
No more nails.
I'm getting married to my best friend.
No.
Pakita mo kaya?
Bostik.
Happily ever after. Through the good
Bukas mo yung camera.
Bukas mo yung camera. Ayan o.
Here.
It's always been you. I'm
Basa sa waterproof.
Basa.
to my best friend.
Meron sila
Ayan.
pwede sa basa. Ayan ba yan?
Saan water?
Gusto mo rugby? Ito. Boca seal.
Okay na? Let's go na. Gusto niya yan?
Sila ko nga siya. Sila ng best friend niya.
The wind in my
Sino
face.
sa Amerika?
I sigh with my
Tandem.
cycle to
So we're here na at the grocery.
arrive to
What's that?
my
Salaga niya.
pretty great. 'Cause
Dapat strawberry.
I have you in
Okay.
Gawa tayo ng shabu-shabu.
Lettuce.
I'm getting married
Guys, sa grocery
to my
na.
best friend.
What do you want? Vegetables.
Through the good times and
So,
the bad.
Nutella. The big one.
Won't have it any other way.
Dami naman yung dalawa. Eh, sabi natin marami daw siyang pera.
Getting married to my best friend.
Oh,
Married to my
30.
I'm getting
July 30.
married to my best friend.
Mauubos din agad. Bukas, ubos na yun ng mga bata eh.
Happily ever after. Through the good
Tatlo na lang muna para bibili na lang si Papa sa Alphamart.
won't have it
Yung wheat bread.
other way.
Okay, expired.
It's always me and you. I'm getting married to my best friend
Pinatungan ni Mama.
today. Married to my love. Married to my love. Married to my love. Married to my love. I'm getting married.
Paano bang masarap na meatloaf? Argentina meatloaf.
I'm getting married.
Ito. This one.
Saan natin ako madiguro?
Lit nga ng cart nila dito. Okay na to?
Asa lang? Nasaan mo?
Ayun na. Tuli ka na. Cheese.
Ganyan na ako. Dami nga.
Mas gusto nilang maling. Ilang maling kinuha mo? Ayan, tatlo.
Sunshine on my face.
Okay.
I feel
There
pretty
you go.
great about today. About today. My
Wait.
bride, I'll be
Wait, wait.
waiting
Wait.
at the altar for you.
Ang bilis.
Altar for you.
Ang bilis nun. Ayaw kape? Ayan natin yan, Nestle cream. Ilan ba pang carbonara? Tatlo?
I'm getting married
Lalagyan siya.
to my best friend today.
Ano?
Happily ever after.
Okay na ba yung ano mo? Yung mga listahan mo? Nandito na?
Won't have it any
Di.
other way. It's always been you. I'm
Aliyah. Aliyah's favorite lychee.
today. Married to my love. Married to my love.
Lagay-lagay na lang kasi. Oh. Kuha ka na ng isang card. Yung mga maglaglagan. Ako lang yan.
The wind in my face. I
So, wala
started
mabasa.
my cycle to you. I ride to you. My life is pretty great. Cause I have my love in it. I have you in it. Today, I'm getting married to my
We're here at Hot Dog.
happily ever after. Through the good times and the bad. Won't have it any
Ano to?
other way.
Jumbo?
It's always me and you. I'm getting married
Yung makapal?
to my best friend today.
Ito.
Married to my I'm getting married to my best friend today.
Here, maliliit na ano.
Happy ever after.
Dalawa?
The bad. Won't have it any
Hotdog lang siya.
It's always me and you. I'm getting
Sarap yung ano, hotdog na may cheese. Ang birding niya, Virginia.
married.
Ayun, yung chili cheese. Dalan. Apa ko mo? Ano papalitan? Kuha pa? Choco almond and uy. Ganda itong sibuyas. Ano yan? Vitamin Sanderson. Organic. Oh, magkwek-kwek tayo. Yes. Ilan? Ilan?
Sunshine on my face.
So, yan.
Feel pretty great
Haba, quail egg, and salted egg.
about today.
Hindi ko mabuhat. So, that's all.
My bride, I'll be waiting. Waiting at the altar for you. Today, I'm getting married to my best friend. Happily ever after, through the good times and the bad. Won't have it any other way. It's always been you. I'm getting married to my best friend today. Married to my love.
Dito na lang siya sa taas.
Married to my love.
So, lakas ng ulan.
I sigh like my side.
Ang tagal naman ng mga to. Grabe lakas ng ulan. Ano ba yung bagyo na yan? Grabe, ang dilim mo. Grabe. It's raining men. Ini walang baha na madadaanan.
It's always been you. I'm getting married to my best friend today. Married to my.
May sticker.
I'm getting married to my best friend.
Oh, good job naman ng mga kids. So, kumakain. Kumain ka na, Zoe? Yes? Sure? Kumain. Kumain na ba? Wow. Kumain na si Zoe? Ah, wow, ah. Okay na. Mamaya, wait lang. Kumain na. So, there you go. Basang-basa sa ulan. Huwag kayo mag-away. ah. Ba't may ikot ka pa? Okay na ah. In! 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 Out! Out! Jump! Turn around! Hindi, practice pa lang, practice pa lang. Sige.
Ready? Out! Out! In! Turn around! Out!
Balagling sa uwi ah.
Go here, out! In! Turn around! Out!
Sunshine on my face.
In!
I feel pretty great about today.
Jump!
In!
About today.
In! Out! In! Out!
Waiting at the
Turn around!
altar for
Arms up! Step, step!
altar.
So, mag-
Hooray! Up!
Today.
Ocho, ocho! Ocho, ocho! In!
Having any other
Out! Tyler dance!
Tyler dance! Tyler dance!
to my best friend today.
In! 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 Out! Turn around! Jump! In! Out! Turn around! In! Jump! Oh, tagal kayo lahat!
The wind in my face as I ride my cycle to you. I ride to you. My life is pretty great.